Hello viewers, welcome back to Vidyasagar Classes YouTube channel. So as a part of our tense discussion, today we will discuss about past tense, simple past and past progressive. So friends, what is simple past? So let us discuss the scenarios. कौन से condition में simple past use होगा? We use simple past for a completed action in the past which has no present impact or present result. That means जो अतीत में खत्म हो चुका है और वर्तमान में उसका कोई संपर्क नहीं है, कोई प्रभाव नहीं है. It may be 1 day ago, it may be 10 days ago, it may be 50 years ago, but it has no present connection. So उसका स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर नजर डालिए. सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म, जैसे गो का वेंट, स्पीक का स्पोक, राइट का रोट. एंड जब आप नेगेशन करते हैं डिड प्लस नॉट प्लस V1, ही डिड नॉट गो. एंड इफ यू आर मेकिंग इंटरोगेशन, ऑक्सिलरी कम्स टू द फ्रंट, डिड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1, डिड यू गो. तो एक चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा, कैसे आपको पता लगेगा एक सेंटेंस सिंपल पास्ट है. It is often associated with past time adverbs. Like any past time ले लीजिए, 1947, yesterday, last year. India got independence in 1947. That means got is the simple past. We know because 1947 has no impact right now. She came yesterday. That means she came yesterday. Presently we are not concerned whether she is here or not. एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल कंट्रास्ट करके आपको देता हूं, आपका समझ में आ जाएगा. सपोज आपका दो दोस्त सेम टाइम मॉर्निंग में 6 बजे आपके सिटी में आए, शार्प 6 PM. एक दोस्त आपके साथ अभी भी है, यू कैन फील हिज प्रेजेंस, यू कैन स्पेंड टाइम विथ हिम इन फ्यूचर. सो जो दोस्त आपके पास है जिसका इंपैक्ट प्रेजेंट में है, आप कौन सा टेंस यूज करेंगे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. My friend has come this morning. But another friend who came and went to another place, he is not in with you at present and you forgot. In that scenario, you say, my friend came in the morning. So, both the thing may happen in the same time, but जो present connection है वो present perfect, जो present connection नहीं है वो simple past. So mind you, past time having no present connection, simple past. There are some other conditions in which we can use simple past. When a longer action is interrupted by a shorter action, we use simple past for that shorter action. जब एक काम आप past में you are in the middle of doing something and it was broken, वो प्रभावित होता है, वो interrupt होता है और एक छोटा एक्शन से, जैसे कि while I was watching TV she called me. That means your TV watching was broken because of that call. While I was cooking, she knocked at the door. और एक कंडीशन भी है, when two actions occurred immediately one after another, जो बहुत जल्द हो जाता है. जैसे कि आप कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन का एक आइकन क्लिक करते हैं, suppose you click the shutdown button and the computer screen went blank. कैसे आप बोलेंगे? When he clicked the shutdown button, the screen went blank. When she called me, I rejected the call. दोनों action immediately followed each other. Therefore, both the verbs we use simple past. When she called me, I rejected the call. Look at the two sentences, called and rejected. Both are simple past. Another one, we also use simple past in type 2 conditional. What is type 2? That is unreal. That means a present condition is not fulfilled, so present result can not be achieved. जैसे कि अगर आप बोलेंगे कि नहीं, इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप फुटबॉल में चैंपियन हो जाएगा, जो कि कभी संभव नहीं है, because we are not even in within 100. So if India played well, it would win the World Cup football. That means that's a type 2, played. If he invited me, I would go to his house. That means it's not possible for him to invite me. So type 2 means if clause के साथ we can use simple past. So these are the few conditions in which we use simple past. So अभी चलते हैं past progressive के तरफ and have a look at it. Past progressive. We use past progressive for a past action which has a beginning point and an ending point, and the person was in the middle of doing something in between those periods. Look at this timeline now. जैसे कि टाइमलाइन पास्ट में ले लेते हैं, yesterday 4 PM से 6 PM तक, and you are at 4:30 PM you were in the field. What you were doing between 4 PM to 6 PM? You were playing football. That means आप जब बीच में है दोनों एक्शन के टाइमलाइन के अंदर, जैसे कि सपोज मैं आपको पूछता हूं कल रात 9:30 PM में आप क्या कर रहे थे? भाई मैं टीवी देख रहा था. टीवी देख रहा था मतलब you were watching TV. That means the program may be of 1.5 hour duration. You were in the middle of watching TV. So that's why you are telling I was watching TV. That is the difference. The most important thing in past progressive, the middle point I have given in the line timeline. Present में कोई connection नहीं, past action, beginning point है, ending point है, but वो middle में जो जो activities हुआ है, we use past progressive. So at 4:30 PM yesterday, she was playing badminton. That means she was in the middle of playing badminton. So these are the two past tenses, simple past and past progressive. I hope now you have a clear understanding of what simple past and past progressive about. We will give the link for your exercises in this video. Please like, subscribe our channel for more such educative videos, and click the bell icon so that you will get advanced notification of our videos. Thank you for watching.